Good morning. Welcome back to the Pine Mountain Railway. Today we're on an adventure to fix my gate, which has been giving me a bunch of problems recently because the poles have been knocked out of line with the frost heave over the wintertime. Come join us on our adventure as we take the backhoe out to fix all this. As you can see, when I open the gate it drops about an inch. The poles have to be straightened up, so I'll get the backhoe out here and make it happen. Pick up the backhoe just to make sure nothing's dragging while we're heading out along the driveway. The previous owner didn't concrete these poles in, so they're just 4 feet down in the dirt. As you can see, when I give the top of the pole a shove, it moves about 6 inches, which is just about enough to do what I want it to do. Pack in some gravel and some bigger rocks and it should be okay for a few years. An almost perfect fit. A little high, but that'll allow for some sagging over the next few weeks as the dirt settles around the post. Great old machine comes through again. Come join me for a ride back to the shop. Thank you for coming along on today's adventure, and please keep checking back at this YouTube channel for more adventures around the Pine Mountain Railway.